Mr. John from the Children's Museum of Indianapolis, and I work in the Public Events and Family Programs Department. Today helping me is my assistant, Mr. Nicholas.
Hello.
And since unfortunately you're unable to come visit us at the museum right now, we thought we would share with you a few easy ways to make bird feeders that you can make with you and your family and celebrate Earth Day's 50th anniversary. We've chosen some ingredients and things that we had in our house that were really easy, and I can use some of these, or I highly encourage you to maybe use some other ideas that you might have. Our materials ingredients today is we've chosen a paper towel holder. We also have chosen a grapefruit peel, an orange peel, and even an avocado. We've also got some bird food, and we tried to think of things that were good for the birds and they could eat. So we have some popcorn, we have bread, we have dried fruit, nuts, and seeds today. So the first thing we're going to show you is the paper towel holder. And what we did was we found some real sticky ingredients that were edible. We have peanut butter, syrup, corn syrup, and molasses, which we found out is the thickest of them all. What we did was we smeared some of these ingredients onto our paper towel roll, and now we're gonna finish it off by putting some of the food on here and let it stick. Okay, there you go. Let's get a little bit of dried fruit on there. And then we also chose to put a little bit of string through there, and we're gonna tie it up to a branch and let the birds have some food.
And the squirrels.
And maybe the squirrels. Okay, our second demonstration is using our old fruit skins, and this is a real easy one. We just cleaned them out, and now we are just gonna dump all these ingredients. You wanna do the grapefruit? Okay, we're gonna dump these in here. Okay, get a big handful there.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we've got some ingredients in there. And for these, you can either just stick them on a branch, or we also decided to take a little screwdriver and poke some holes there, and we got some more string, and then we are gonna hang this just like a bird feeder from a tree. Okay, all right. These are our examples of bird feeders, and I hope you can get a chance to try them, and I hope they work for you. And I hope to hear about them someday when you can come back to the museum and see us. Until then, thank you, and we're happy to bring you part of this as the Children's Museum at Home program. And we hope you have a great day and a fabulous Earth Day. And we'll say goodbye.
Goodbye.